Hi Gemini, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs from the 19th of July till the 31st of July. I'm so sorry. Let's get started. You've got the Magician card, the Ten of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune. The card at the bottom of this deck, which is the major energy of this deck, is the Three of Swords. Gemini, excuse the parrots, they are very happy today. So yeah. Three of Swords. Gemini, what happened? And I'm so sorry that you had to go through this. You had to go through a third-party situation and the pain that comes with it. I am really sorry. I hope you get the strength to get out of this. I personally have gone through it, so I know how painful it can get. But the darkest hour is right before dawn. Look at the Magician card. You are the magician of your life. You can eliminate everything that doesn't serve you. You can manifest anything that you want. You just have to vibrate at the same frequency as your manifestation. I know coming out of a third-party situation is tough, horrible. If you're really going through the pain and not suppressing it, it gets tough. But the fact that you're going through it shows that you're growing through it. And that is commendable, Gemini. Congratulations on that. Ten of Wands. The journey that you're taking right now is coming after a lot of burdens. It may feel a little burdensome as well, but this is a journey that you need to take. It's a journey away from pain and into peace. I never said the journey is going to be easy. Look at the path. It's full of ups and downs and rocks and stones that may cut your feet if your shoes aren't good enough. Gemini, you're taking this journey because your soul knows that it has to go through this in order to reach the next destination. You've already chosen this life. Now be a witness to it, guys, and keep going. You've got the Wheel of Fortune. If you were going through certain money issues or, of course, issues dealing with love, yes, you were going through those. But I feel you are now moving into more peaceful times. Times where love is peaceful, money comes into your life easily and effortlessly. There is a balance. Of course, there is that little pinch in your heart because of what happened. But there is balance and you're moving towards that, Gemini. You're moving towards growth when it comes to finances. You're growing your finances. You're investing in the right places. You're doing a great job. Gemini. You've got the Strength card, the Knight of Wands, the Two of Wands. The card at the bottom of this deck is the Ten of Pentacles. Amazing. I told you you're going towards prosperity. Yes, times are hard. Sometimes we don't realize why we go through certain things. But trust me, we all choose our lives. You're going to be empowered. A Leo person could play an important role in your life, Gemini. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. I also feel that you are going to be approached by someone who is very interested in you. They've seen you grow, they've seen you build yourself up after you were broken. But Gemini, I also feel that you're going to take your time because you've come out of certain dark times of the heart. You're going to take your time and not give in that easily, which is good because this person is willing to wait. That's the most amazing thing ever. Let's see some extra oracle messages for you guys. Trust. Have faith in your higher self, in the universe, in the power that you believe in. Have faith. Trust. And I think you're going to make this person wait because you have trust issues, which is absolutely fine. Guys, a quick plug-in. I recently started my new YouTube channel, which is called The Pixie Goddess Mind Magic. I'll be linking it below. It's all about manifestations, the mind, psychology, meditation, spirituality, Zen Buddhism. And we'll also be dealing with a lot of relationship-related issues. So if these are the topics that interest you in any way, please check out my channel. And the first introductory video is already up. It's about my spiritual journey and why I began this channel and what is it that we're going to be dealing with it. And there's a beautiful Zen story in it as well. So please do check it out. Thank you so much. Make a decision. Number 11 is important. Sagittarius also got this card. So if you're dealing with a Sagittarius, then this is a message for you. But don't make any hasty decisions. And I think Gemini, you're not going to make any hasty decisions. You're a sign that thinks through things before coming to conclusions. Nothing is yet set in stone. Have faith in your dreams. It's time to take action. Aries could be important. You're very close to achieving your goal. Wow, Gemini. Congratulations. Queen of the Unicorns. You are blessed with love, compassion, and wisdom. Number 43 could be important. These are extra messages apart from the tarot. So take them however they resonate with you guys. Oh, oopsie. Just say yes. The answer is yes, guys. So if you had a question that could be answered in a yes or no, the answer is yes. If you have a question whether you should say yes or no to somebody, something, a new beginning, the answer is yes, go for it. Oopsie. You've got the key card. Number 8 and 33 are important. 6 could also be important for you guys. Number 15 could also be important. The key card suggests that you are at that stage of life where whatever you want is within you. You are the key to your happiness, success, everything. Some of you could be investing in a new home, a new car, any automobile. But whatever it is, it's going to open up a channel into your life that will only bring prosperity and happiness. And stability also for some of you. Family culture. Learn more about your family's stories and history. I also feel that you should spend more time with your family. Just watching TV or being there or being with your mom, your parents, your siblings, anything and everything. Guys, you might hear bells. Actually, it's the priest of the house has come to, pray, and he's in the Devghar, what we call, where our deities are placed. So I'm sorry for that. If you like the sound of the bells, amazing, and no sorries. Let's see. More messages for Gemini. The courageous peony. You have a very unique nature, guys. Let yourself be seen. Look at the pretty flower. The peony flower. Can you see it? Yeah, now you can. It's pretty, no? Such pretty colors. Purples, mauves, violets. Happy colors. Peaceful colors. Gemini, let's see some extra. Not extra. We'll see your affirmation message now, and then we'll wrap up with your reading. See, the bells have gotten louder. When I'm connected to my joyful presence, I attract support from the universe. Pretty, no? He's ringing the bell with full might. Gemini, this was all for you. If it made sense, if you resonated with this reading, please like, share, subscribe, and do check out the other channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.